I'm gonna show you how to remove all volumes on Tradingview chart. So to get started, you have to open any browser and then go to tradingview.com and then sign into your account, and from there you have to select any tokens that you want to trade. And as you can see here, the volumes are showing on the bottom panes. So to remove the volumes, you need to do it manually. Click the chart and it will show some icons on the right side, and from there you just have to click on the trash bin icon that says delete pane, and then click on it. And also to delete this volume right here, you just have to go to the upper left corner of the chart. You can either hide or unhide the pane, or you can hide or unhide the volume itself. But since we want to delete it, you just have to click on the bin icon again. So there you go. That's how you delete all volumes on Tradingview.